Allow me to introduce our practice area specialists who will take us through the key stories in the market.
My name's Alek Tomasevic, and I'm a research manager on the US Guide with oversight of sections including intellectual property, life sciences, and commercial securities and white-collar litigation. With the vaccination campaign underway and, hopefully, a path out of the pandemic emerging, litigators who spoke with us told us that they were extremely grateful to be back before the courts and are seeing a steadily increasing resumption of in-person proceedings. However, there's been close to universal acknowledgement that serious steps need to be taken to address docket backlogs. Trial lawyers express hope that some modernizations remain, allowing more routine proceedings to be carried out remotely, but that remains to be seen. What everyone wants to avoid is significantly differing standards by each court, which all agree can lead to a real quagmire. On the regulatory side, a full year of the Biden administration has seen the expected increase in enforcement. White-collar litigators note that aggressive antitrust enforcement will be worth watching in particular, given the appointments at the Antitrust Division of the DOJ and at the FTC. As mentioned before, lawyers also tell us that they're awaiting the effects of more scrutiny by the SEC into the operation of SPACs, which has already partly led to a slowdown in that market. Many large commercial litigation practices report that plaintiff firms are becoming more sophisticated and beginning to see the fruits of litigation funding. It hasn't quite exploded into a barrage of claims against the big corporates, but it's an area we're closely watching, and our plaintiff coverage itself continues to grow and expand as firms begin to develop more sophisticated plaintiff-side practices. In fact, we've almost tripled the number of plaintiff-side attorneys that are recognized in chambers over the past 5 years, so it's definitely an area of interest for us. Finally, attorneys are increasingly watching potential trends around False Claims Act and government interventions there, with some notable developments on the intersection of cybersecurity in the FCA,